Tired of wrestling with paper-based signatures and endless printing? Let's dive straight into how you can use the Docusign API to create envelopes and automate your signature workflows, saving you time and streamlining your business processes. First, you'll need a Docusign developer account. Head over to Developer Secusum to sign up for a free sandbox account. Once you've signed up, create an API application within your Docusign developer account to obtain your integration key, also known as a client ID, and securely manage your authentication credentials. Next, choose your preferred programming language. Docusign supports many languages like Java, PHP, Python, and C#. Install the appropriate Docusign Signature SDK for your language from the Docusign Developer Center and import the necessary libraries into your project to create an envelope. First, define the document you want to send for signature. This could be a PDF or a Word document. The API allows you to upload this document as a base 60 for encoded string. Now, define your recipients, specifying their names, email addresses, and roles such as signer or CC. You can even specify the order in which they need to sign the document. Next, add signature tabs to your document, indicating where each recipient needs to sign, initial, or provide other information. The API provides options to customize the appearance and positioning of these tabs. With the document, recipients, and tabs defined, construct the envelope object and send it using the Docusign API. Monitor the envelope status through the API to track when each recipient has viewed and signed the document, and just like that, you've successfully created and sent an envelope using the Docusign API.